One of my favorite topics is marketing, and specifically free marketing versus paid marketing, and which one do I subscribe to? Well, the answer is I subscribe to both, but which one is my favorite? Probably the same one as yours, the free marketing. And you're probably thinking like, Colin, there's no such thing as free marketing. Marketing always equals dollars. Well, yes and no. Early on in your business, you have nothing. You might not have a lot of money, but you have a lot more time because your business isn't super busy. So when you have that time, you invest a bunch of free marketing levers like calling every single person in your phone contacts, cold outreach to all of your Facebook and Instagram friends in your service area. Hey, who do you know that could utilize my service? Don't market to them, you market to their friends. It's much easier for them to introduce you than to say, yeah, I want to buy, or no, I don't want to buy. You can go, if you're in the home service industry like myself, go to Lowe's, go to Home Depot, go to Menards, and just hand out cards to everybody. Hey, this is what I do. I'd love to help you. That's okay. All right, business cards, $50 for whatever, 1,000 of them. All right, like that's almost free. All right. There are a million things that you can be doing that equal free marketing. Pick up that dang phone. One of my favorite ones. This is actually what built my first business. Is I just picked up the phone and I called every business owner, every business, and asked for the business owner in my local small town. I live in a town of 8,000 people, so real small. Called up all the business owners and just introduced myself and asked questions about their business. Hey, I just want to network with all the business owners. So who's your target client? Like, what do you specialize in? How can I help you in businesses? I called florists, I called veterinarians, I called doctors, like you name it, I called them. I didn't necessarily get through to all the owners. However, I got through to most of them, and that created a huge referral network for me. By the end of that call, with me asking them so much about their business and asking if I can refer people to them if they're taking on new clients, they were like, yeah, remind me what your name was again? Yeah, it's Colin with One Way Exteriors, and I do gutters. Oh, you know what? My mom needs gutters. My sister needs gutters. Whatever it was, they were like, yes, we need that. So, free. You have time. Utilize the free stuff. When it comes to paid, now we're talking everything from print marketing, a bunch of door hangers, yard signs, flyers, whatever that is, all the way to Facebook, Google Ads, SEO. There's a ton of different paid levers that you can be pulling. Billboards, radio, TV. Before you shoot me, those things can work. I have friends who have built multi-million-dollar businesses just off of buying radio ads the right way. I have other friends who have built businesses with just billboards. All right, I shouldn't say just billboards. They still do a lot of the free stuff, but billboards are their primary thing, right? There are so many ways that you can spend money on marketing, but early on in your business, you don't have the funds to do that, but you do have the time to do this thing. Now, the biggest mistake that people make in their business is once they get big enough and they start paying for leads, they quit doing all the free things because their time is too valuable. It's the biggest freaking lie that I've ever heard in business is my time is too valuable to do this thing. There are definitely points in business where your time is worth more doing higher level things in your business, but there should never be a point where your business stops doing the free marketing levers. What this could look like is maybe you, as a business owner, are not doing them, but you have people underneath you doing those things. So don't ever forget them. This is one, most of our leads are free. Most of our leads come from door knocking and putting simple door hangers out. That is the majority of our leads. A lot of them come from calls. We have a really cool app where we can tag a home as to what service of ours it needs. Then we can scrape the internet for their data and call those people. So I have people that are making those phone calls. That app costs $300 a month. Okay, so yes, that does cost me $300, but pretty darn affordable and an easy way to get in front of thousands of people. All right. You paid. One of my other favorite levers is direct mail. Not every door direct mail, but direct mail to certain homes that you want to target that need your services. Every door direct mail, only like 12% of the homes actually need your service. If you 8x that by only targeting homes that need your services, response rates go through the freaking roof. So that is a quick breakdown of free versus paid. They both have their place, but do not ever get too big to wipe away the free marketing, because that will harm your business.